Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. So today we're doing a plan with me, November plan with me, but this week I'll be doing 2 weeks in one video because since these spreads are really simple, so I just kept it together. So we have February 9th to the 13th and then 16th to 20th. So since this is my work planner, it goes from Monday to Friday only for both weeks. So obviously now we're gonna start. I'm going to be using my favorite pens, the Uniball Signo, the Sharpie S-Gel, and then the Pentel Clena and 0.5 and 0.3. These are my top 3 favorite pens that I use currently and will continue to use. You can find this review, the 3 pens that I enjoy using, in my channel, and also I'll put it in the card on the right hand corner. So let's start. First, I'm going to be using the Pigment liner in 0.3 to write in the numbers. It's pretty simple and pretty fast. So I'm just going to write in the 0 and a 9 and then using a brush pen to color it. Because using a fine tip to color over the white spots is really hard. So I switched to a brush pen to color in the empty spaces. Doing it to the other numbers, and then we'll be adding some stickers to the spreads. I chose to make the spread really simple for these next 2 weeks because I don't know, I'm leaning towards a more minimal aesthetic. Like I do like to make like pretty dashboards to make it look pretty, but then like in my spreads now I really do just keep it really simple. I just write stuff and then have maybe add a few like a dot sticker or something, and then just write and then put like arrows. Nowadays I don't really make my planner that decorative anymore. Like when I started, it wasn't really much decorative anyways, but like now I'm leaning towards more of a minimal planning, minimal style, and I do enjoy the minimal like style. So now we'll be adding some stickers here and there. So first I'll be writing the notes section first with the pen, the 0.3 pigment liner, and then I'll be adding these circle stickers, which I just wanted to add some little decoration to the spread because it's pretty simple, right? And like be grabbing a tweezer so it's easy to take the stickers out of the sheet. So I'll just be adding like the light gray and a little bit darker gray next to each other. I'll be adding it to all the sections. As you can see on the screen, I kind of ran out of the light gray, so I'll be grabbing some. Here it is. So we have some light gray here, then we'll be adding it to the 12 and 13, and then we'll be adding the second darker shade of gray. So I just wanted to add these circles to add some decoration to the spread because it's really blank. So that's what I did, add the circles, and that's what I have for this week's plan with me. So for the 9th to the 13th. It's pretty simple. Also for this week's, it's 16th to 20th week. It's really simple. It's one page on a spread. One spread on a page. What? I'm so confused now. Yes, this is the whole spread is on one page. So 16 to 20, I'll be using the Uniball Signo DX and 0.38 to write in the numbers. And again, the numbers don't have to be perfect. I'm just scribbling here and there. Yeah, this week is hella simple. Like, I don't know what's wrong with me. I do like to make sometimes you just gotta go simple and minimal again to feel that you might want to do next week another crazy spread. But for these next 2 weeks, I decided to combine the weeks together when I filmed and then upload it at the same time. So you have 2 weeks in one video. Lucky you guys. But yeah, and then I'll be skipping a week of videos maybe, possibly, but I may do something other videos. We'll see how I feel during that week if I want to film or not. So now you see here, I did not use a ruler to do the dashes. I just did quick dashes with the pen. And now I'm using a sign brush pen. Love this by Pentel, one of my favorite brush pens to use. So using the brush pen, I'll just be coloring in the numbers, and then it's pretty simple here and there. And then I'll be adding some decorations, those little plus signs and circles and sparkles using the Uniball Signo DX pen. I hope you guys enjoy this 2 weeks plan with me. I know how simple it is for this week, but I just wanted to just do a simple spreads for the next 2 weeks. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.